All right, I think this is the International Studies building, I think, here at Indiana University, Bloomington, Indiana. Going up?
Going up.
What floor?
Doesn't matter.
I'm gonna go to 4.
Okay. I've been sent to tape things, and so wherever it goes, it goes.
Oh, you're just taping those back up?
Well, they're new, so it's a class for.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, this is the International Studies building, I think. I'll get the building name in the description. But they really decorated this thing quite a lot. Lots of posters. Wait, I think I was supposed to go on 1. Yeah. Oh, DC installed these. So this is a DC elevator. All right, here we are at 1. And there's a desk out here, so yeah, that there, that's it.